just really increased your efficiency. Definitely has made things easier, quicker.
So this.
What do you use that upper brake set on? How often do you use that?
Daily, every single day.
Yeah.
Every single car.
Hey, this is Cooper with A1, and John and I went out on the road and we asked a simple question of what is the tool that we make here in the shop that you utilize the most and you love the most. And we got a lot of different answers, but the one clear standing out item was our Xcalibur Hood Deck Set. So guys just could not talk about the efficiency enough that they are gaining when getting on those quarter panels, corners of hoods, giving them a great tool to have on their tool cart. So these are the regular hood decks, and they have this snub nose to the spring steel version. Very strong tool. The spring steel is very strong, holds its shape. This curve is great so that people do not auger out the holes in their hood, and just gives a great clean finish on the dent, but also keeps the access hole clean. Take a look at these clips and just see how these guys are utilizing them and why they love them so much.
This is all from you guys as well.
Yep.
So this.
What do you use that upper brake set on? How often do you use that?
Daily, every single day.
Yeah.
Every single car.
So kind of a game changer on especially corners of hoods and deck lids, and kind of allows not only a better angle and better leverage. You're going to tear the holes up a lot less because of that bend. Or if you got something that's a little fatter or has a single bend into it, you're going to grab that edge or that hole and kind of mar it up a little bit. With that severe curve, you're going to be able to reach in there a lot further. So a lot of the traditional rods with a single bend, you had to get past the bend, to get to the dent. But because of that curve shape of it, once you enter a hole, you can just keep going and going and going. So dramatically makes access easier. Ends up, even whether I have the lid on a stand, but it does allow me to do a lot more dents in this corner, even if I have the lid or the deck lid on the car, because I'm gonna, whereas before I might have went ahead and went through the effort of taking it off just so I could get a better angle. So this kind of, allows me a lot more access, and the curvature doesn't go away. Where like some of the older versions of that or something kind of flatten out over time, so they're going to hold their shape. And the tip being sharp is great for kind of pinpointing, especially for aluminums. And then the handle design is great because as you're twisting, having it kind of offset, a lot more natural to just get leverage on that side versus, if that handle's kind of balanced, it's more stress on your arm. But really for most like deck lids and hoods, I'm going to use those almost primary for a lot of racers. And then an occasional other tool here and there, but probably end up with inside the braces, probably end up doing 75-80% of the dents with that kind of, with one of those tools. It's good to have a variety of shapes and lengths, and to have them handy because you're going to end up using them most of the time.
And that's pretty much the same thing I've heard. Really, the corners of hoods or deck lids, they're pretty special.
Yeah.